10 Best Foods to Prevent Diabetes. When diabetes runs in your family, or you have other risk factors for this disease, it is easy to gain information on what you should avoid eating. You are often told to avoid sugary food and beverages. Also, you need to keep away from starchy food items like rice, white bread, and pasta. But preventing diabetes is not just about knowing what foods to avoid. You will also have much to gain from knowing what foods will be beneficial. In this video, you will learn about 10 foods that could prevent you from getting diabetes, or if you already have it, to lessen the severity of the disease. Here are the 10 best foods to eat to prevent diabetes. 1. Avocados. According to an animal study published by Molecular Nutrition and Food Research in 2019, avocados contain a unique fat molecule that reduces insulin resistance. Although further studies on humans need to be conducted to support this conclusion, avocados are still generally regarded as a healthy snack for people with or trying to prevent diabetes. 2. Berries. Berries are generally rich in polyphenols that help lower blood sugar after meals. According to a British Journal of Nutrition study, berries can further improve your insulin sensitivity and resistance. If you are at risk of becoming diabetic, your best options include cranberries and strawberries. 3. Broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts are microgreens that grow from broccoli seeds. According to a study published by Science Translational Medicine in 2017, the sulforaphane in broccoli sprouts can lower blood glucose by up to 10%. Plus, it is a low-carb vegetable that is rich in magnesium and vitamin C. 4. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with fiber. Even though they do not contain a lot of digestive carbohydrates, this makes it an excellent food option for people at risk of diabetes. Plus, a randomized controlled trial published by Nutrition, Metabolism, and Cardiovascular Diseases in 2017 shows that chia consumption is useful for glycemic control and weight management. 5. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent food option for people at risk of diabetes because it is high in fat and low in carbohydrates. Additionally, a study published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2019 concluded that having high-fat, low-carb meals like eggs for breakfast makes you better able to balance your glucose levels throughout the day. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is one of the best dairy options for people trying to prevent diabetes because it is rich in CLAs, proteins, and calcium. Additionally, a study published by BMC Medicine in 2014 shows that consuming plenty of yogurt lowers your risk for type 2 diabetes. 7. Leafy greens. Leafy greens contain minimal digestible carbohydrates, so consuming plenty of these will not affect glucose levels significantly. Additionally, they are rich in vitamin C, which is essential to reducing your risk for type 2 diabetes and the severity of commonly associated diseases. 8. Nuts. Nuts are incredibly rich in phytochemicals, fatty acids, antioxidants, and minerals that help reduce your risk for type 2 diabetes. This was proven through a study published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2014. Apart from diabetes, the same study concluded that nuts also help lower your risk for stroke and ischemic heart disease. 9. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is an excellent meal option because it has a low GI score, even if it is very filling. Furthermore, a study published by Nutrients in 2015 concluded that oatmeal is excellent for keeping cholesterol levels in check and controlling glucose levels. To gain the benefits of this healthful food, make sure you do not add a lot of sugar. 10. Whole wheat bread. According to a study published by the Review of Diabetic Studies in 2014, ancient grains like rye, spelt, and emmer are excellent for preventing or delaying the development of type 2 diabetes. Whole wheat bread also has a low GI score, which makes it an ideal food option. These 10 best foods to prevent diabetes are relatively inexpensive and easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Increase your consumption of these foods as you avoid those you already know to be bad for you. Doing this will not just lower your risk for diabetes, but also the more severe conditions that often stem from this disease, including hypertension, neuropathy, and retinopathy. Following our study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.